Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Google Reverse Image Search on iPhone. And this is quite simple. First, make sure that you have a photo in your library. So I want to save this picture. So what I'm doing now is holding my finger and then do save to photos. After this, we need to search for images.google.com and then do go. And then right here, we need to click here on this, left in the bottom, and then go to the three dots, and then request desktop web page. Now, right here, what we need to do is click here on the photo, and then upload a file. Right now, we need to do from photo library, and then here is the doc. And right now, if we do done, he uploaded the photo just right here. And now we can search for this photo on Google. So this is exactly how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.